It's not the same without Shaina. The fact that she's not here makes me so upset.
It's about to be so strong. I even tasted it in the cherry.
Welcome to Love is Blind!
Shaina said, "Adios, motherfucker," to Kyle. Afraid that Kyle now may need a mind eraser. And that's why for Shaina and Kyle, we have the adios motherfucker for Shaina and the mind eraser for Kyle. Now, the adios motherfucker is a very strong drink. You've probably heard of the Long Island iced tea, and there are 6 core drinks in the iced tea family. Each of them has consistent among them half an ounce of vodka, half an ounce of gin, half an ounce of rum, half an ounce of tequila. Working in a bar, you might know that is the clear liquors that you have down here in the well. Each of those drinks has an additional half an ounce of pure Long Island iced tea, a triple sec, adios motherfucker, curaçao, which is literally just a blue-colored triple sec. And that'll get you, I guess, a trip right out of Mexico. So the adios motherfucker, we're not going to shake or strain, we're just going to build it right in our glass. Half an ounce of vodka, half an ounce of gin, half an ounce of rum, half an ounce of tequila, half an ounce of blue curaçao, 2 ounces of sweet and sour. We'll top it with a little bit of Sprite. Give it a quick stir. We'll garnish it with a lemon wheel and a cherry on top. Cheers to Shaina. Adios, motherfucker.
I'll grow on her a little. Shaina's gonna be madly in love with me at the end of it.
For Kyle's drink, we're going to pour half an ounce of kahlua into a rocks glass with just a little bit of ice. Then we're going to add half an ounce of vodka right on top. We'll layer a little bit of Sprite on top of that. You know what's sad, Joel? Shaina's drink and Kyle's drink, they both share vodka and Sprite. Looks like they shared more ingredients than they did time in the bedroom.
It's not the same without Shaina. The fact that she's not here makes me so upset.
Alright everybody, welcome to J Shot and Dick Shots. Dick Shots and the J. My problem with Shaina, I really actually liked her and Shane together. But let's try this for Kyle. God bless you, dude, even though you don't believe in God.
You would think that this has no alcohol in it. Seriously.
Really?
Like, it's not coarse at all. This is dangerous. This is the most dangerous thing. It goes down almost concerningly smooth. I could almost compare it to like a sweeter version of Gatorade. I'm almost amazed. But it tastes good. You want to try it?
Sure, I'll try this. Oh, that's delicious.
Isn't that crazy?
Very much like
There's
Gatorade.
5 different types of...
I can't taste any
There's
of
5 different types of liquor in here.
No, dude, I can't. You can smell it, but you can't taste it. Oh my God! You know why she downs her drink so fast? Is because she's not staying that long.
That's pretty good. All right, we'll see y'all later.
Kyle needs another one of these.
I'm looking for somebody that can really cheer me up and make me laugh.
This tastes like a chocolatey almost. Very coffee-like. I thought the Sprite would be bad with it, but no. Hold on. No, that is delicious. I couldn't have it all the time, but I could have a couple of these. Surprisingly, I give that an 8.1.
I'm gonna give this 7.7.
That's your highest rating yet.
That's my highest rating yet. There are, again, 5 different liquors that went into this. It looked like the liquor came up to about 2/3 of the glass, but it felt like I was drinking Gatorade. It felt like I was drinking juice.
And here's the thing, Shaina, I know you watch the show. You're always commenting. You're always looking to talk to Dick Shots. Like, subscribe. Shaina, it's okay if you want to keep DMing me. Hit me up. Just don't ghost me. Just don't ghost me in Mexico.
Cherry first. I've studied you, John. You always do the cherry first. It's about to be so strong. I even tasted it in the cherry.
It looks good.
Yeah, look at that color. It's almost like fluorescent blue. Should I slam it?
Slam it. Looks good. Straw is big and bendy.
Yeah, what? You have to sip out of the cup with that huge straw.
I'm a grown man. I'm a grown man.